How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Sick ETV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download the new OnePlus Nord wallpapers onto your OnePlus device. This should work on OnePlus 7, 7T, 7 Pro, the McLaren edition, of course the OnePlus 8 and the 8 Pro. Now, I don't know if it may work on other older devices or like a Samsung or anything like that, but this is the OnePlus 8, and I'm going to show you how to download those wallpapers. So what those wallpapers are, really cool looking live wallpapers. I'm going to go ahead and show each one to you. This one is going to be called live snow, and this is a really cool wallpaper, has a snow effect to it. And then this one is really nice as well. This one is called live glacial, and this one is probably my favorite. If I can get it to click on there. And this one is the live stone. So this one's really nice looking wallpaper. Has that dark effect to it. Really cool wallpapers from the new OnePlus Nord. Sadly, we won't be getting that phone here in the US anytime soon, but at least you could enjoy the wallpapers from that device on your OnePlus phone. So it's pretty simple. I'll post a link in the description down below, and in case you're wondering what kind of wallpaper this is really cool wallpaper that I found and downloaded. This is from the Vivo X50. So really nice looking wallpapers. There are 3 different types. If you want to see a video on these wallpapers, I'll go ahead and do one. Comment down below if you want me to. If not, then I won't. But let me know if you would like to see a video on this wallpapers. It is called, I believe it's called Live Colors. Let's see what this one is called. It's called Flowing Colors, and they also have a moonlight, which is really cool as well. But right now we're doing the OnePlus Nord. If you want to see a video on the Vivo X50 wallpapers, comment down below and I will do one. So going on down to that, I'll post a link in the description down below, that way you guys can check this out. This pretty much has the stills that are available and the live wallpapers that are available too. So if you want to download the stills, just go ahead and hit on the download link and then wait for your mirror to pop up. And depending on where you're at, just go ahead and click on the one if you're in the US, you know, etc., things like that. Click on that and it will download. Once you're done downloading, you're pretty much going to go ahead and unzip that file, which I'll show you in a second. And then for the live wallpapers, you're just going to scroll down to where it says live wallpapers and OnePlus wallpaper resources. You're going to click on that and do the same thing. Click here to start and find your mirrors. So once you're done doing that, you're going to go ahead into your file manager and go into your downloads, and now you will see the zip files for the OnePlus Nord live wallpaper zip. You're going to hit unzip to that folder and then go into your stills live wallpapers, unzip into that folder, and then you're all done. And essentially what this does is this gives you all of your wallpapers right here, all on the line, the stills and the live wallpapers. And what this also does is gives you this OP wallpaper resources APK. And essentially what this does is this replaces your stock wallpapers, whether you're on the 7 or the 8. This is the 8. This will replace those stock wallpapers from the OnePlus 8 with the wallpapers from the OnePlus Nord. So that is really cool. If you don't want to lose the wallpapers from your OnePlus 8, then I suggest finding another way to do it. But I could not find another way to run these live wallpapers on this phone without having to install this APK, which replaces your wallpapers, your stock wallpapers. So then once you're done with that, you're going to go to customization and wallpapers, and now you see all the wallpapers from the OnePlus Nord are right here. And then you're just going to want to click on whichever one, hit check mark, and then now you are good to go with the live wallpapers. As you can see right here, really cool looking, fancy looking wallpaper. Is really nice. Sort of has that Google effect to it as far as the way they look. Google always does this satellite views and stuff like that. So really cool looking wallpapers. Let's go ahead and go through some of the stills This one is a nice colorful still wallpaper. And then go ahead and go to another one. There's another one. And really cool looking wallpapers. As far as the live wallpapers go, this one is probably my favorite. Just has that dark feel to it. Looks really nice. I really enjoy these wallpapers from the OnePlus Nord. So with that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Links will be posted down below. That way you guys can go check out these live wallpapers from the OnePlus Nord and install them onto your OnePlus. And you can have that experience since we won't be getting that device, which is kind of sad. Really nice phone. I really wish that would have came here to the US. So that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, thumb down if you didn't. Links will be posted in the description down below. That way you guys can go over to XDA and check out these wallpapers. With that being said, guys, stay safe, wash your hands, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.